In this video, I'm going to show you 5 websites you can apply for Web3 job in 2026. Whether you are a moderator, community manager, content creator, developer, marketer, on this website you can apply for jobs. So make sure to watch to the very end. If you are seeing me for the first time, my name is mosescnx. I'm a Web3 video creator. So make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel. So let's get right into the video. So guys, the first website is web3.career. So once you come to this website, you are going to see a lot of role here. So come here and select your role. If you're a community manager, select community manager. If you're a moderator, select moderator. So, and if you are looking for a remote work, you don't want to work on site, you want to work remotely, make sure to toggle this on. So once you toggle this on and you select your role here, you are going to see a lot of available jobs you can apply. So if you want to apply anyone, click on it and you see this apply this thing here. I'm coming, let me click on this. You are going to see this apply button here. Read about the project. If you are okay with it, then you go on and apply. The second one on the list is remote3.co, as you can see on the screen. So on this website also, you can click on all jobs to see all the available job, or you can just select your role. If you're a writer, just click on writer. If you're a community manager, if you're a front-end developer, just click on front-end developer and you are going to see all the available jobs here, the list of all available jobs. Click on anyone you like, read about the project. If you're okay with it, you apply. So the third one is cryptocurrencyjobs.co. So on this website you can search your role. So you can just like come here and search all the time. If any country you are from, just come here, input your country and your role, and you are going to see a list of available jobs. The fourth one on the list is jobs.solana.com. So once you come to this place, input your role. As you can see, this place I already input moderator. Then this place, if you want to work remotely or on site, select it. I want remotely, I'm going to leave it remotely. Then this place, select your location. You understand? If you are any country you are from, just select your, let me say United States. So you are going to click on United States and you're going to see all the available job, list of available jobs in your country. But this country is not really necessary. If you want to work remotely, there's no need of you selecting a country or a region. So just come here, input your role, select remotely, and you are going to see list of available jobs. The fifth one is Twitter. Yes, X for this. So before we continue, this is my profile. Let's go. This is my profile on Twitter. On X, if you want to connect with me, you can follow me here. My name is mosescnx on all platforms. So this is my profile on Twitter. So once you come to your Twitter, you're going to go to the search bar. So once you come to the search bar here, so just type in hiring, then include your role. If you are a community manager, say hiring community manager. If you are a content creator, say hiring content creator. Any role at all, just write hiring, then include your role, and you are going to see list of available job, people looking for moderator, people looking for the skill you have, your role, you understand. So just go through the post, read it, anyone you are interested, just apply. So this is basically how to look for Web3 job. So make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel if you watch this video to this very end, and also join our Telegram channel. The link is going to be in the comment section, also in my bio. Turn on the notification bell so anytime I post, YouTube will notify you first.